Hey guys, this is Abhor, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the modulus function. What the modulus function basically does is get you the remainder when you divide two numbers. For example, let's take 5 and 2. When you divide 5 by 2, you get 2.5, but in this case we would write it in the form of divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what 5 by 2 would give you is 2 into 2 plus 1. Yeah, wait, it's actually 1. So this 1 here, that is the remainder, is what you would get when you perform the modulus function on these two numbers, 5 and 2. So 5 modulus 2 is equal to 1. Now actually my main aim in this video is to tell you about the modulus of a negative number. So let's take another example. Let's take 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 can be written as 5 into 2 plus 2. Easy? Yes. Now let's try doing minus 12 by 5. It's also easy actually. It's into minus 2 and plus minus 2. It just became the minus here and here. Pretty easy. But remember, this form is what you get in maths. This form you do not get in programming languages. When you do minus 12 by 5 in, let's say, Python, what you would get is 5 into minus 3 plus 3. So what programming languages do is increase this number by minus 1, and that makes this number positive. The main aim of the programming language is to get this number positive. So they increase this number by minus 1 and it automatically becomes positive. I've actually written this in code sculptor over here. So let's try this. Here's 12 by 5 and 12 modulus 5. This would give us 2, 2. Let's check it. Okay, here was 2, 2. We got it correct. This is the question, this is the remainder. Now let's try doing it with minus signs here. Notice the difference. It gets us minus 3 and 3. Let's check it. Oh, it's correct. Minus 3 over here and 3 over here. So let me show you a good way to think about this. Let's again take the example of minus 12 by 5. Okay, in real life actually don't use minus a lot. Um, One example where you would use minus would be, well, when your bank balance goes, in debt. Not actually in debt, but let's say, well, you get the idea. So in real life, maybe you can think of it as you're lacking in something, or maybe you're giving it away. So let's say you have 12 apples. Okay, I'm gonna draw an apple over here, which does not really look like an apple. Okay. So let's say you need to give these 12 apples away, such that the people you're giving it away to get 5 apples each. Now, what you would get here is you would be able to give out to 2 people, and 2 apples would be left. Now here would be minus sign actually. So these minus 2 apples are left. Minus here indicates that you have given them away. So what happened to those minus 2 apples? No one knows. So a better idea is to actually do it that you sorry, you give it to 3 groups, and to give it to 3 groups actually you'd need plus 3 apples more. So this is actually a better way to think about the modulus function, and I hope you get the idea. So see you later then.